think she was trying to herd the babies yesterday.
Yeah, I think so too.
She doesn't worry about the big sheep, but...
That one mama butted again last night.
Oh, really? She didn't like her trying to herd her babies, huh?
I guess not. You lift up a little on that right there?
Yeah. Sorry. Whoop. Okay, Shadow, come out. The twins want to have their dinner, but she won't stay still.
Huh?
The twins want to get some dinner, but she won't stay